Hello from Kajiolo, Mali. The East Valley VBS sent us to Mali 2 years ago with a special project they did, and now here we are. So, we want to take you along with us on a fun day. We haven't got any shopping malls or bike trails or baseball fields or playgrounds, but we have a waterfall. So a friend is going to come get us and take us in her car to go see the waterfall. And you guys can come along. Well, we made it. We left Kajiolo and then we took the paved road to Woroni. We drove through Woroni, and just when we thought we were lost, we found a path through the bushes, and we walked about 20 minutes through the bush to get here. And it was well worth it. The kids are having a great time, and I'm going to go jump in now. Alright, well that was our day at the waterfall. We had a great time. I hope that God blesses you all as you learn about His Word at VBS. Say bye!